Why do homeowners pay property taxes, and how do they affect our monthly mortgage payment? Well, that's a fair question. Let's talk about what property taxes are, how they're calculated, and yes, how they fit into your mortgage. Hi, I'm Luna Petty, your friendly neighborhood mortgage broker with Unyque Financial. And today I'm talking about something that is important for all homeowners, property taxes, and how they're calculated and how they impact your mortgage. Let's first start with the basics. Property taxes are taxes that homeowners pay based on the value of their property. These taxes are used to fund things like schools, roads, and emergency services in our communities. So, when you pay your property taxes, you're helping to make your neighborhood a better place to live. Property taxes are calculated by your local government. They assess the value of your home and then apply a tax rate. That rate can vary depending on where you live. For example, a home in one town might have a higher tax rate or a lower tax rate than a similar home in a neighboring town. To figure out how much you owe in property taxes, the local government multiplies the assessed value of your home by your tax rate. For instance, if your home is assessed at $200,000 and your tax rate is 1%, your property taxes would be $2,000 a year. So, how do property taxes impact your mortgage? It depends. When you get a mortgage, you'll either have the option to add your property taxes to your mortgage payment, or you'll have the type of loan that requires you to add your property taxes to your mortgage payment. When your taxes are added to your mortgage, we call it an escrow or impound account. This is like a special little separate account held by your lender where your money is set aside to pay for your property taxes and usually your homeowner's insurance. If you have an impound account, each month a portion of the payment that you make to your mortgage company goes into this escrow/impound account. When your property taxes are due, your lender uses the money in the escrow account to pay them. Let's break it down. Your monthly mortgage payment is $2,000 a month. A part of that goes towards paying back the loan for the house, let's say $1,500. Then the other $500 goes into your escrow account for property taxes and insurance. So again, your monthly escrow account is $500. Maybe $300 goes towards your property taxes and maybe $200 goes towards your property insurance. Then $1,500 goes towards your loan repayment. It's important to know that property tax amounts can change. They might go up if your home's assessed value increases or if your local government decides to raise your tax rate. Your lender will adjust your escrow payments to make sure that there's enough money to cover the taxes. The majority of people I've worked with find it easier to have their lender handle it all through the impound account. But some homeowners choose to pay their property taxes directly instead of through the impound account. Now, if you do this, that means that your monthly payment to your lender will be reduced and you'll need to set aside funds to pay the property taxes on your own. But here's a tip. You can set aside the funds for your property taxes in an account that earns interest all year and lets your money make money. Paying property taxes might seem like a lot, but remember, they support your community. For good schools, safe roads, and reliable emergency services, all are funded by property taxes. So if it helps, think about it as if you're investing in your neighborhood. To sum it up, property taxes are a crucial part of homeownership. They're used to fund important community services, and more often than not, they're included in your monthly mortgage payment through an impound account. Understanding how they work can help better manage your finances and help you feel more confident about your mortgage. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to learn more about property taxes and mortgages, be sure to connect with me. I'm here to help you every step of the way.